The proper usage and calibration of the QCTP. You can easily remove your cutting tool by rotating the QCTP locking lever mechanism about half a turn in a counterclockwise direction. You can simply rotate the QCTP clamping lever by half a turn in a clockwise direction to effectively resecure the tool in its position. It is possible for you to effortlessly and quickly lock your tool into place at precise 9-degree intervals by utilizing the integrated serrations found on the QCTP. By utilizing the 4 tool holders that come included with the QCTP, you are able to mount your tools with great efficiency and proceed directly with your machining operations. You can easily remove the square-headed bolts on the quick change tool post by rotating them in a counterclockwise direction with a T-wrench, and then you are able to mount a different tool onto that same holder. To properly secure your new cutting tool in place, you will need to tighten those square-headed bolts located on the quick change tool post by rotating them in a clockwise direction. Begin the QCTP calibration. Please go ahead and loosen your quick change tool post as shown in the video by using a 17mm open-ended wrench and an 8mm Allen key. First, you should place a precision dial indicator onto the flat surface of your tool. Then slowly move it along the x-axis, carefully observing and comparing the varying heights you encounter. Next, you must adjust your tool by applying very slight controlled taps at the specific point where the reading is highest. And finally, you need to ensure that the perpendicularity remains strictly between 2 and 3%. Once you are sure of the squareness, tighten the QCTP with the same wrench combination and make sure you reach a torque value of 50 Nm for the metric 10 bolt.